What if I told you that people are making thousands of dollars every month doing SEO and you don't need to spend hundreds on expensive tools to get started? Today, I'll show you how. Most beginners think they need expensive SEO software, but paying hundreds of dollars every month before you even have your first client can be a huge mistake. Before you invest heavily in tools, focus on learning the fundamentals and choosing software that fits your stage and budget. This is MetricVault AI, an all-in-one SEO platform designed to simplify your workflow. From keyword research and website audits to competitor analysis and AI-powered tools, everything you need is in one place. Every successful SEO campaign starts with keyword research. In this dashboard, you can search for any keyword and instantly see how many people are searching for it each month. You'll also find the keyword difficulty score, helping you understand how competitive it is, along with related keyword ideas to uncover even more ranking opportunities. This makes it easy to choose the best keywords before creating your content. Next is the website audit tool. Simply enter a website URL and run a scan. In just a few moments, MetricVault analyzes your site's technical SEO and highlights issues that could impact your search rankings. You'll see problems like missing meta tags, broken links, page performance, and other optimization opportunities, making it easy to prioritize the improvements that matter most. Understanding your competitors is just as important as optimizing your own website. Simply enter a competitor's domain to discover the keywords they're ranking for, estimate their organic traffic, and identify their top-performing pages. These insights help you uncover new keyword opportunities and build a smarter SEO strategy based on what's already working in your niche. MetricVault AI also helps speed up content creation. Simply enter a topic or keyword, and the AI generates a well-structured draft, complete with headings and SEO-focused content. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use it as a strong first draft, then review and refine the text to match your brand's voice and ensure the final content is accurate and engaging. Businesses rely on SEO to attract more customers, which is why many hire SEO professionals to improve their online visibility. Services like keyword research, technical website audits, content optimization, and ongoing SEO management are in high demand. As you build your skills, deliver results, and earn client trust, SEO can become a consistent and rewarding source of income. If you're interested in learning SEO or building an SEO business, MetricVault AI is a great place to start. It brings together the essential tools you need for keyword research, website audits, competitor analysis, and more, all in one platform. But remember, tools alone won't guarantee success. The real key is learning SEO, practicing consistently, and delivering real value to your clients. Master those skills, and you'll be in a much better position to grow a successful SEO business.